Hey everyone! Taylor from Spigen here, showing you the S350 nightstand for the Apple Watch. The stand is made entirely of TPU, so your watch and table stay scratch-free. It features Spigen's trademarked NanoTac pad on the bottom, which is made up of tiny suction cups that stick to flat surfaces without any residue. This makes for a stable dock, so you don't have to worry about the stand moving or slipping when using it. It features 2 cable inserts, one on each side, so you can use it in any setup that works for you. Insert the charger into the cutout with the cable going to the left or to the right. Either way you choose, the charger sits flush with the stand for the perfect fit. For the 38mm Apple Watch, you can adjust the size of the stand by using the included silicone pad. It sticks onto the bottom cradle, blending right in. If you've got a 42mm watch, no need to bother with this. Thanks to the smart design, your watch won't swivel side to side or fall off when you press the buttons or remove the watch from the stand. You can choose to use the stand with or without a case on your Apple Watch. The compact size lets you use it anywhere without it being an eyesore, making it the best option for all your Apple Watch needs.